Everyone owns something made out of leather. Jackets, skirts, pants, boots, shoes, sandals, heels, purses, gloves, hats, chaps. We like leather. We like the look, the touch, the feel, the smell. But what happens when you wear leather? Well, you put that leather on your body and your body naturally stinks. That causes the leather to stink. Then when you wear that leather again, it causes your body to stink. It's a vicious cycle, and you get the point. When our non-leather clothing and apparel gets dirty, we do something simple. We throw it in the wash, we dry it, and boom, it's like new. But we all know what happens when you mix leather with water. Shrink, crinkle, crusty, not good. In our attempt to protect and clean our leather, we use creams, lotions, and saddle soaps. While these solutions clean the surface and help shield leather from damaging contaminants, they are ineffective to get deep into the inner lining and safely extract dirt and bacteria. Once dirt and stink get into your leather, it's tough to get out. Sure, you can put creams and topical ointments on it, but all that's doing is keeping the stink in, not solving the real problem. Imagine if we use similar techniques for the non-leather clothing we wear, t-shirts, socks, and underwear. Nasty. You can take your leather to a dry cleaner where they will use chemicals and solvents in an attempt to mask that sometimes pungent odor caused by years of accumulated bacteria that have seeped deep into your leather. You'll find that this route is expensive, can take more than a week, and in the end, you'll probably not be satisfied with the results because their techniques are actually not much more effective than what can be done at home. There has been no effective, safe, reliable, and easy-to-use solution to deeply clean leather until now. Creams, lotions, and wipes don't attack the root of the problem. They only treat the surface. Leather Clean changes all of that. Our environmentally friendly sanitizing detergent allows you to safely wash leather at home in water, by hand, or in the washing machine. The result? That deep clean you're accustomed to when washing all your other non-leather clothes and apparel. You heard me right. You can now wash your leather in water with Leather Clean. So how does Leather Clean work? Proteins and amino acids are what give leather that soft and supple feeling we all love. Normally, everyday detergents and water strip leather of those proteins. That's how you get that dry, cracked, crusty feel when leather is damaged by water. And no one likes crusty. Leather Clean is unique and patented. When mixed with water, it becomes a powerfully effective yet safe solution to clean leather by entering into those inner fibers to extract bacteria. It also maintains those proteins that keep leather soft. Cleaning your leather will never be the same. One word of warning. When you first try our product, you might be scared, like a small child taking that first step. However, when you see the results, you're gonna like it. And you're gonna wanna take all your other leather clothing and apparel and wash them the same way. Cleaning leather is never going to be the same. We are Leather Clean. Give us a try. Your leather will thank you, your friends will thank you.